/# walkthrough, TryHackMe Search Skills. ## room information. Field value. Platform TryHackMe. Room search skills. Difficulty easy. Status completed. Day 41. ## objective. Develop practical research skills using widely adopted cybersecurity resources that support penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, and defensive security operations. Unlike traditional hands-on exploitation rooms, this room focuses on locating, validating, and interpreting security information from trusted sources. ### Task 1, Introduction. Reviewed the room objectives and identified the core resources covered throughout the exercises. ### outcome. Confirmed the room would focus on /Shodan, /VirusTotal, /CVE databases, /Linux man pages, /GitHub, #task 2, Shodan, ## objective. Use a Shodan-style interface to identify information associated with an internet-facing Apache web server. ### activity performed. /searched for. /reviewed the first search result. Observed. /IP address 185.243.115.47. /hostname webserver.tryhackme. /domain tryhackme.thm. /open ports. And #x2022. And #x2080. And #x20-443. And #x20-8080. The exercise demonstrated how internet-wide search engines can quickly expose valuable reconnaissance information. ### answer submitted. ### task 3, VirusTotal. ### objective. Determine how many security vendors identified a suspicious executable as malicious. ### activity performed. Searched for. Reviewed the malware analysis summary. Observed detection ratio. ### answer submitted. The task demonstrated how VirusTotal aggregates detection results from multiple antivirus engines to support malware triage. ### task 4, CVE database. ### objective. Research a published vulnerability and identify its severity classification. ### activity performed. Searched for. Reviewed. /vulnerability description. /CVSS score. /severity classification. Observed. /CVSS score 10.0/10. /classification critical. ### answer submitted. ### task 5, Linux man pages. ### objective. Use official Linux documentation to locate the required netcat example command. ### activity performed. Reviewed the manual page 4. Located the required example command in the examples section. ### answer submitted. This reinforced the importance of consulting official documentation during assessments. ### task 6, GitHub. ### objective. Review a proof-of-concept repository relating to a published vulnerability. ### activity performed. #/ opened the provided repository. / reviewed the README. / examined the repository contents. / identified the demonstration script required by the exercise. The room concluded successfully after completing this research exercise. / note, / the repository file name itself was not preserved in this conversation after completion, so it is intentionally omitted here rather than reconstructed from memory. ### overall methodology. 1 / read the task objectives. 2 / Access the provided simulated resource. 3 backslash. Search using the specified term. 4 backslash. Review the returned information. 5 backslash. Validate the requested evidence. 6 backslash. Submit the verified answer. 7 backslash. Proceed to the next task. Backslash. Backslash hashtag skills practiced. Backslash open source intelligence, OSINT. Backslash threat intelligence. Backslash malware analysis. Backslash vulnerability research. Backslash Linux documentation. Backslash technical research. Backslash security information validation. Backslash. Backslash hashtag outcome. All room tasks were completed successfully using the supplied research platforms and official documentation without requiring exploitation or privilege escalation.